off automatic. Holding pen. And then this is the rotary where they get on the merry-go-round. And then they go all the way around and they back up from it and they turn around and go to their pens. We are preparing the bottles to go feed the baby calves.
It's already done.
We feed about 400 baby calves, 3 quarts of milk 2 times a day. The babies are in their own hutches until they are 2 months old. This is so they don't get each other sick. It is called social distancing. My dad says we invented it. This is the calf group pens. This is where they go when they leave the hutches. They learn how to eat big cow food and make friends. They are loading the feed wagon. The feed wagon is like a blender. They load all the feed into it and mix it up. Cows are just like us. We have foods that we love and don't love so much. If we don't mix them all together, they would only eat what they love. Milk cows have the most balanced diet of any species on Earth. We milk 2,500 cows 3 times a day, which is 24,000 gallons of milk a day.
Carly's going to show you right now, but we have this neat little computer system. Each cow has a computer chip in their ear so that we can scan them, and we go down and scan the groups, and it'll tell us if they need to see the vet or if they need vaccinations or what different things they do. Today we're just actually doing an inventory, so we just make sure that they're in the right pen. We keep them in groups, same as like you guys have in your classes. So we just have to make sure that somebody didn't sneak in from a different group. Carly, you can scan the rest of them. We'll show them how it works. So scan this one.
Other ear.
Other ear.